Learn English to Gujarati, under certain circumstances too.
ભાગોમાં.
Welcome in your mission. Hey, you are about to learn a sneaky set of very useful Gujarati expressions. They are the kind of phrases that make you sound thoughtful, careful, and slightly like a lawyer with a snack. Today you will learn these English ideas in Gujarati, under certain circumstances, if necessary, at most, tendentially, largely, mostly, partial, and in parts. In Gujarati, that gives you
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં, જરૂર પડે તો, વધુમાં વધુ, વલણ રૂપે, મોટા ભાગે, મોટે ભાગે, આંશિક,
and.
ભાગોમાં.
Ready? Good. Your brain brought a notebook, even if you did not. A tiny story with big drama. Let's throw all the words into one ridiculous story so they stick. Imagine you are organizing the world's least organized picnic. Under certain circumstances, the picnic can happen in the park.
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં,
If it rains, we move inside if necessary.
જરૂર પડે તો,
At most, 10 people can come because Uncle Raj always brings 3 chairs and 1 mysterious watermelon.
વધુમાં વધુ,
The weather is tendentially improving, or at least the clouds look less dramatic.
વલણ રૂપે,
The food is largely ready.
મોટા ભાગે,
The sandwiches are mostly packed.
મોટે ભાગે,
The dessert is partial, because somebody ate half of it while claiming to do quality control.
આંશિક,
And the folding table arrived in parts.
ભાગોમાં.
Congratulations! You now speak picnic-level strategy Gujarati. Phrase by phrase. Now let's slow down and make each phrase easy to remember. Listen, repeat, and enjoy the examples. Under certain circumstances is.
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં,
Example. Under certain circumstances, we can wait. In Gujarati.
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં, આપણે રાહ જોઈ શકીએ.
If necessary is.
જરૂર પડે તો,
Example. Call me if necessary. In Gujarati.
મને ફોન કરજો. જરૂર પડે તો,
At most is.
વધુમાં વધુ,
Example. It will take at most 10 minutes. In Gujarati.
તેને, વધુમાં વધુ, 10 મિનિટ લાગશે.
Tendentially is.
વલણ રૂપે,
Example. The market is tendentially moving upward. In Gujarati.
બજાર, વલણ રૂપે, ઉપર જઈ રહ્યું છે.
Largely is.
મોટા ભાગે,
Example. The plan was largely successful. In Gujarati.
યોજના, મોટા ભાગે, સફળ રહી.
Mostly is.
મોટે ભાગે,
Example. I mostly drink water. In Gujarati.
હું, મોટે ભાગે, પાણી પીઉં છું.
Partial is.
આંશિક,
Example. We have partial information. In Gujarati.
અમારી પાસે, આંશિક, માહિતી છે.
In parts is.
ભાગોમાં,
Example. Please explain it in parts. In Gujarati.
કૃપા કરીને તેને, ભાગોમાં, સમજાવો.
Mini dialogue circus. Time for quick dialogues. These are short, natural, and just weird enough to be memorable. A. Can we enter now? B. Only.
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં,
A. Should I bring medicine? B. Yes.
જરૂર પડે તો,
A. How long will it take? B.
વધુમાં વધુ,
10 minutes. A. Is the trend random? B. No, it is.
વલણ રૂપે,
Moving upward. A. Was the report completed? B. Yes.
મોટા ભાગે,
A. Is the project done? B.
મોટે ભાગે,
Yes. A. Is the update complete? B. No, it is only.
આંશિક,
A. Did the table arrive whole? B. No, it came.
ભાગોમાં.
How not to mix them up. Some of these words are cousins, and cousins love causing confusion at family dinners. Let's separate them clearly. Use.
મોટા ભાગે,
For largely and.
મોટે ભાગે,
For mostly. They are very close in meaning, but you can think of both as talking about the bigger part of something. Use.
आंशिक,
When something is only partial, incomplete, or not whole. Use.
भागोमा,
When something is divided into parts, piece by piece. Use.
વધુમાં વધુ,
When you want a maximum limit. Use.
જરૂર પડે તો,
When action happens only if needed. And use.
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં,
When the situation depends on certain conditions. Basically, one phrase is careful, one is practical, one sets a ceiling, and the others describe amount or structure. Repeat after me drill. Now you do the work. I say it in English, then you say it in Gujarati before I give the answer. Under certain circumstances.
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં,
If necessary.
જરૂર પડે તો,
At most.
વધુમાં વધુ,
Tendentially.
વલણ રૂપે,
Largely.
મોટા ભાગે,
Mostly.
મોટે ભાગે,
Partial.
આંશિક,
In parts.
ભાગોમાં,
Quick quiz with 0 grades and mild panic. Let's test your memory. No pressure. If you forget one, just blame the picnic. How do you say under certain circumstances in Gujarati?
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં,
How do you say if necessary in Gujarati?
જરૂર પડે તો,
How do you say at most in Gujarati?
વધુમાં વધુ,
How do you say tendentially in Gujarati?
વલણ રૂપે,
How do you say largely in Gujarati?
મોટા ભાગે,
How do you say mostly in Gujarati?
મોટે ભાગે,
How do you say partial in Gujarati?
આંશિક,
How do you say in parts in Gujarati?
ભાગોમાં,
Your final challenge. Here is your final mission. Try to imagine your own sentence for each phrase before listening to mine. Under certain circumstances, this rule changes.
આ નિયમ, ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં, બદલે છે.
We can change the plan if necessary.
અમે યોજના બદલી શકીએ, જરૂર પડે તો.
At most, only 3 people can fit here.
વધુમાં વધુ, અહીં માત્ર 3 લોકો સમાઈ શકે.
His opinions are tendentially optimistic.
તેના મત, વલણ રૂપે, આશાવાદી છે.
The work is largely finished.
કામ, મોટા ભાગે, પૂરું થયું છે.
It is mostly sunny today.
આજે મોટે ભાગે સૂર્યપ્રકાશ છે.
The report is only partial.
અહેવાલ માત્ર, આંશિક, છે.
The book was published in parts.
પુસ્તક, ભાગોમાં, પ્રકાશિત થયું.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole bundle of subtle Gujarati expressions without needing a courtroom, a weather station, or a broken table. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
ચોક્કસ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં, જરૂર પડે તો, વધુમાં વધુ, વલણ રૂપે, મોટા ભાગે, મોટે ભાગે, આંશિક,
And
ભાગોમાં.
say them out loud, use them in tiny sentences, and repeat them tomorrow. You are doing great, and your Gujarati is getting stronger one phrase at a time.